Okay, well, the digital dash is in. I'll show it working later. I have the 12 volts out that you wanted in the same place you wanted. It's where you marked it on Facebook. That goes to the wiring harness for 12 volts, well 11.9 volts. One thing to note, don't try and run an inverter off of that. It's only for charging your phone. Because there's no thick wire coming to the front of the bike that was 12 volts, so if you run an inverter you'll probably fry your wire. Of course, you know the controller's done. Gorilla wire going through the seat pan. As you can see, it's not touching any metal, it's just going plastic to plastic. I left a little bit there, so like if down the road if you want to remove the extra battery, you can just cut it there and slip it into your your breaker there, and you're back to 48 volts. There's your battery in the back. I'm just trying to figure out how to strap it down. I'm going to use your bungee cord, but I got the leads on the Gorilla wire, and they're all shrunk and ready to go. I'm just going to set them on the terminals shortly once I get which way they go. And I gotta clean up all the flux that I spilled on the bike that I'm working on, and throw the side back on. Oh, I gotta try and find you a three-way switch, but I don't think I have one, so we'll see. Okay, well, the last battery's in. I just used an old dishcloth to protect it from getting slammed around, and drilled 2 holes and used a bungee cord to keep it down. One thing you probably like to get a hold of, if you go to Canadian Tire, they have big, what do they call them? Hose clamps, but the big ones you use for dryers, for the dryer line. Like they're huge aluminum hose clamps. You can use one of those. Just basically drill the holes a little bit bigger down there, run it through the plastic, and then up and around, and you can tighten it down. You don't want that banging around too much. This will hold for now. This will get you home anyway. Keep an eye on it. That's about it. I don't have a 3-way switch, which I thought I did, so it's basically on its default voltage speed, which is medium, and you're pretty much ready to go. The rest is cleaning it up and putting it back together. That's it. Final pieces going in. Done at last. All the wiring is done. We'll just quick recap everything. Let's get this back together. There we go. We're good. Let me plug it in and we'll do a quick test just to make sure everything is running how it should. Just so you know, I still haven't hooked the alarm up yet. I don't want to hear it. Display, 63 volts. Horn works. Front lights. High beam, low beam. What else can we test? Oh, turn signals. Front and back. And the front, as well as the display. The light's working too. Brake lights, good there, good there. Throttle, good there. That's about it. Oh, well, just quickly, I moved as you can see, there's a hole there, but I moved your socket down, dremeled it out. It's nice and solid there. We're just going to test the charger real quick. Okay, there's the charger there. We've got the green light, our new socket. We get the red light. We're good. Green. Red, so it's charging. Easy way to tell is just look at that. It's going up. So you can see. Cool. Okay, you are done, my friend. Everything is done. The battery's mounted. All the wiring is done. I just have to plug your alarm back in, which I don't want to do, but I have to. And she's good. Your brakes are adjusted. It's a little bit more brake there. Same as the other side. You're good. Just charge it up for you and you're good to go.